Here are some top tips so you can make the most out of Seesaw. Seesaw is an online portfolio that you can capture the work you've been doing at home, from taking photos of your artwork to capturing a science experiment to recording your explanations on how to solve a maths problem. The possibilities of Seesaw are endless. And luckily for you, the Seesaw class app is available on any device. You would have been sent home with a home learning code that is unique to you, which would look something like this. Make sure you've downloaded the Class Seesaw app or go to www.web.seesaw.me. Make sure you click I'm a student. You can enter the 12-letter code when logging in on a desktop device or scan the QR code. You'll be signed into your class for up to a year, so there's no need to log in again. To add content to Seesaw, all you need to do is click the green plus icon, which allows you to add a whole host of media to Seesaw for your teacher to see. When taking photos, make sure the whole image is viewable. If you click Note, you can even type up your own story. You can click the upload icon when you want to add a photo, video or PDF from your laptop, or have something from your tablet you created in another program, such as a screenshot of some artwork I did in Keynote. Clicking the text tool when editing your work in Seesaw will allow me to add a title that I can move and resize. And when I click the record icon, don't forget to allow any permissions, I can even record my voice. A nice feature here is I can draw my picture by choosing the pen type and even the colour. I can talk and explain my reasoning whilst writing on the picture I have created. This will create a nice little video that replays exactly what I'm doing on screen. When you finish recording, don't forget to click the green icon in the top right so your video is saved. When you have finished any activity, make sure you click the green tick in the top right corner. Organising work in folders is good practice. Choose relevant subject and once again click the green tick when you're ready for your teacher to review your work. When you have an activity to respond to in Seesaw, you will see a number in a red circle here. If you click Activity, you can choose the task to complete. Make sure you read the instructions before you click Add a response to complete the task. You can then complete the activity the teacher has given you. In this example, you have to drag the words into the right group. If you ever forgotten what to do, just click View Instruction at the top and read the task again. You can even play an audio message if your teacher's recorded one. When you are finished, don't forget to click the green tick so your teacher can review your work. If a teacher has made an announcement, you'll find a notification in the Inbox tab. Sometimes a teacher may leave a note on your journal, and in this case if you want to respond, click the comment button underneath the post. You can even record a voice note by clicking the red microphone button.